What's poppin', Gromies? It's your boy Primo. Coming back with an update on the 4x2 Vivo Sun Tint. The boy tired as hell, man. Just got off of work, but had to come in here and do some work real quick, man. All right, without further ado, let's check out what's going on. Bring y'all in, you know? Technically, this is still vegging, but I did flip them earlier this week to 12-12, but it looked like they still got some veg in them. So it's been about a month and some change. So I think it's time. We did flip them. What we gonna do today? We're gonna go ahead and defoliate all of this shit. Try to push some of these tops down, so these other nodes can get some light. Because you see some of this shit, this canopy is just uneven right now. So we gonna fix that the best way we can. You know, I ain't too privy in doing no grows in the 4x2 like this, bro. I really don't use trellis nets too much, but being at this job, man, it's teaching me a lot, man. And the only way to get maximum yield, you gotta go ahead and trellis these bitches, man. Bamboo stakes can only do so much, so. And yeah, go ahead, push these down and try to stretch it as much as we can. Fill out this tent. We might need a second trelliser in a minute, depending on how these girls want to grow. We might need two of these motherfuckers. But enough talking, man. Let's do this shit.
Hey, this ain't luck, it's blisters and it's back pain. Long nights, broke pockets for the pack brain. I don't complain, I construct brick by brick. Out the dust, I ain't waiting on the lift. I became what I trust. Let's see if I can do this shit right. Try this shit over real quick. Yeah. Hey, I never had luck, had to get it out the mud. That's why they called me Old Dirty. Every win it took blood. Clocked in daily, rain or the sun. While they played it cool, I was getting shit done. Built off sweat, not talk. I earned my respect. With the walk, I ain't never need fame or a fucking cosign. Just a grind and the hunger in my fucking bloodline. They don't want smoke, nah, they just tweeted. I've been in the cut, undefeated. Made my own lane, then I beat it.
Yeah. That's what she looked like. All smashed up, trellised up. She look mad, boy. She look mad in a motherfucker. But you know what, though? She gonna do what it do. She gonna do what it do. She gonna do what it do. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. Hold up. Alright, that's it for today. Give y'all an update in a couple of days. What's poppin', Grummies? Welcome back to the channel. Give you a little update. We are in week 2. I believe this is day 4 of week 2 since I switched since I flipped the flower. What we gonna do today is we need to go ahead and defoliate, because it's been a little minute since I've actually been able to get into this tent. So I'm gonna take a look and see what's going on and get some of these leaves up out of here. So, my bucket. We about to go to town on these ladies, man. Just gonna come here. See if y'all can see what I got going on, man. A little overhead shot.
I'm spacebound since the 8th round, and I'm never coming down. I'm spacebound since the 8th round. I said I'm never coming down. I'm spacebound since the 8th round. No, I'm never coming down. Listen to the thoughts in your head. I flip and take your life twice, nigga. No regret. Get smoked like cigarette. I'm out to get a check, nothing less than the rest you can save for the jet flight. Right now, ain't nobody here to check tight. I'm the one that'll spray your whole set. Understand it's a metroplex.
Had to give him a little strippy strip. Little haircut. You know? Little haircut. Alright, and we'll be back. Give you an update on the next one, man. We're gonna do is top dress these ladies next. I think I'm gonna wait a week. Wait till topsoil dry up a little bit. Then we gonna hit these ladies with a top dress with some bloom nutrients and some worm castings, and let these ladies keep doing what they doing. I know it look ugly right now. Trust me. This motherfucker's gonna take off, bro. Alright. Catch you in the next one, homies. Peace.